With me. Now, BJP MP Jagdambika Pal has taken a sharp dig at the Mahagathbandhan ahead of the Bihar elections, questioning its credibility and unity. Pal said, and I quote, "If they're not able to handle the alliance, how will they handle Bihar?" He pointed out that the alliance partners had split earlier over internal differences, but are now trying to hold the Mahagathbandhan together by announcing a CM face. Pal further added, they can make any false promise when they're not coming to power. Listen in.
अपने सामने लड़ रहे हैं, चाहे वो तेजस्वी का कैंडिडेट हो या कांग्रेस का कैंडिडेट हो या सहानी का कैंडिडेट हो, तो जिस तरह से अगर गठबंधन नहीं संभाल पा रहे हैं तो वो बिहार क्या संभालेंगे। और दूसरी बात, जिस तरह से आपस में मतभेद है, ये तो चुनाव में एक तरह से अलग हो गए थे, लेकिन वो मुख्यमंत्री पद को घोषित करके वो मुख्यमंत्री को किसी तरह से महागठबंधन पे पेबंद लगाने का काम किया है, लेकिन पेबंद कपड़ा रुकता नहीं, फट जाता है फिर, तो वही स्थिति होगी। और अब अगर सत्ता में नहीं आना है तो कुछ भी सब्ज दिखा सकते हैं, कुछ भी झूठा वायदा कर सकते हैं, जैसे महाराष्ट्र में किया था, हरियाणा में किया था। तो आज उसके लिए 12 लाख करोड़ चाहिए, बजट 4 लाख करोड़ भी नहीं है बिहार का, तो कहाँ से लाएंगे, ये बिहार की जनता समझती है।
All right, my colleague Anand is back with me now. Anand, Jagdambika Pal has made a sharp, sarcastic dig at Mahagathbandhan. What can you tell us?
During elections, now the opposition party alliance, that is the Mahagathbandhan, that is facing a sharp attack from the BJP and the NDA leaders over there in Bihar. As clearly, Jagdambika Pal has taken a side that how the Grand Alliance or the Mahagathbandhan was on the verge of breaking away if the Tejasvi Yadav was not announced as the chief ministerial candidate or Mukesh Sahni was not named as the deputy chief ministerial candidate. So he clearly said that these people, no matter how much they try to come together, but their only aim is to loot the people, rob the people and mislead the people. So clearly a sharp jibe coming from Jagdambika Pal for the Mahagathbandhan candidates, especially in Bihar. Back to you.
All right, Anand, stay on with me. I'll come back to you now. In a major breakthrough, the crime branch of Delhi police has arrested Akhil Sheikh.